Hi, in this video I'll show you how to create a new sender name. When you send an SMS message, a sender name appears on the SMS, and typically when you send between two mobile phones, it's the mobile phone number of the person sending that shows as the sender. But because you're using an SMS gateway like SureSMS, you have the opportunity to set a different sender name. This is done by going into settings and then into sender name. And here you can see that on this account we have several different sender names. First, there's this one down here. I'll start at the bottom, which is called SMS Service. When you send from SMS Service, it says SMS Service on the phone, and you can't reply to the SMS message. So we have this one up here. This is a phone number that we currently have active. And because there's a check mark right here in what's referred to as a virtual long number, it means it's a phone number that is hosted on our platform. Then the replies come in as messages directly into your inbox. And then there's this one, which is just a regular phone number. This means that when you send a message from that phone number, the reply will then come back to the specific phone where the SIM card is located, which holds that number. So these are the three available options. Here you can request a new sender name. You can also register your own phone number. That is to say, if you are currently registered in SureSMS with one phone number, but you'd like to be able to send from another of your own phone numbers, you can do that by pressing this button and then order an incoming number. This means you order a number from our series and responses will appear on the SureSMS platform. These are your three options. Now I'll just try to say new sender name. And you should be aware that this sender name needs to be approved by our support. This is because we unfortunately experience that many want to send from nets, the police and similar entities. So it needs to be relevant to your account in order for it to be approved. But SMS service is, a good core. I could also write that it has to come from SureSMS, then click order. And then you can see down here that SureSMS is currently awaiting approval. And at some point, typically within about an hour's time, then your sender ID will be approved, and then you'll be able to use it over in the new message section. Then you go over to new message, and then here in this select sender option, you will be able to choose the new and approved sender ID. So that's how you create a new sender ID or sender name.